said I was born on the wild side. One foot in the flames and the other trying to walk the line. Can't say I never saw it coming, I can see the warning signs. Mama always said I was born on the wild side. I guess mama was right, 'cause when the clock strikes midnight, I'm gonna ride the lightning, feel the thunder, till the darkness pulls me under. Gonna fly on wings of fire, breathing good Lord lifts me higher, singing oh when they call me home, singing oh when they call me home. I'm gonna ride the lightning. There's a man in a black coat standing at a crossroads, with a pen in his hand and a long list of lost souls. They say flips a corn forge that a fool's gold. There's a man in a black coat standing at a crossroads. I hope he lets me pass by when I close my eyes. I'm gonna ride the lightning, feel the thunder, till the darkness pulls me under. Gonna fly on wings of fire, breathing good Lord lifts me higher, singing oh when they call me home, singing oh when they call me home. I'm gonna ride the lightning, ride the lightning, ride the lightning. I'm gonna ride the lightning, feel the thunder, till the darkness pulls me under. Gonna fly on wings of fire, breathing good Lord lifts me higher, singing oh when they call me home, singing oh when they call me home. I'm gonna ride the lightning.
Just a bull, huh?
He's probably trying to get our wind. Come on, get down, get ready right here. Casey's good.
jumped the fence.
Does he see him? Are you talking to him?
You want me to tell him or
Yeah,
what?
let him know. See if they can see him.
He's coming right to us, right to the water.
Can you see him right there? Hey, can you hear me?
Is it him or can you tell yet?
He's got a double second.
Does he?
Yeah.
You think it's him?
Yeah. Don't move. boys.
I'm not moving at all. Is he running again? Coming to the water. That's him, ain't it? Talk to me, Steve, tell me.
Yeah, it's him.
Oh, that hit him too.
He's way back.
Way back, he's not hurt. That's a big sucker. He's getting close to Moody, is he? Oh, he's sitting right there, ain't he? Does he have an extra gun in the truck?
I think he went to get a dead rest. Is that what he's doing?
Mm-hmm. Dude, he's aiming at him again. He's aiming at him. That did it. Right by the road, brother. Come up here. Yes, Moody. God, I love that shit. That's what I live for, dude.
Good shit right there. And you can drive right to the sun.
I know we can get him in whole. Well, what do you think, Easton? Good guiding. All you guys. That's fun stuff, huh?
That's badass.
Takes teamwork.
Heck yeah.
That shot he didn't mess around, did he?
No. He's a little dead rest is all.
Yeah, it's plus when you're shaking. That was probably for a 400-yard shot, wasn't it? The first one, 350.
Something like that, probably.
Oh my gosh, dude. What do you guys think? Talk to me. Tell me something.
It's awesome.
You've done it so many times, it's nothing to you.
No. Crazy. It's a big bull, though.
He's a nice bull.